Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. As one would expect of an ultra-expensive SUV, the 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan rides with supreme serenity and indulges everyone aboard. A strong and silky V12 effortlessly motivates this $250,000 people mover. Though its exterior design borders on awkward, its unmistakable hood ornament and prodigious proportions ensure that onlookers know it's a Rolls-Royce and that its occupants are extremely wealthy. Rolls-Royce doesn't make any changes to the Cullinan for the 2022 model year. It continues to be powered by a twin-turbo V12, making 563 horsepower 592 in the black badge version. An 8-speed automatic transmission still handles gear changes and routes power to the standard all-wheel drive system.